while like talking about the script and everything, Korean script is Hangul. I think you know about that, right?
Yes.
So it was developed under King Sejong in 1444. Okay. And then talking about the language, it's very easy. Why? Because like the writing consists of straight line and circle. So quite easy, like basically drawing. If you're like interested in drawing, it's easy for you. Okay. And all sound and it's easy because the all sound which are like in Hangul, in Korean language, they exist in Indian language. Okay. So you can like pronounce very well. And then this Hangul, it consists consonants which is called cha. Repeat after me. Cha.
Um,
Yes, I'm gonna write the pronunciation here. Wait. Cha. Okay, just English pronunciation you can write. Okay, and vowels mo. Repeat after me. Mo vowels. Yeah. Your mic is fine.
yes.
Okay, repeat after me. Mo
Oh, oh,
Okay. So there are 19 consonants, basically 14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. Okay, just note it down. Should I write here?
yes. Can you write it?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you. Uh, Before starting this, can you tell me about that TOPK test? Because then I will get a brief idea about it, and then
Okay.
we can continue it. Because
Yeah.
it's like,
Yeah, okay, fine. So basically, like for language proficiency, they are having topic exam. Okay, they have two level exam, topic 1 and topic 2. So topic 1 is for beginners. It has two levels. Okay, level 1 and level 2. I'm gonna write it better. I'm not fast, right?
fine.
Okay, wait, let me write it. So are you planning to like enroll in DU also for that program, or just you want to have hobby classes? You're graduated or you're like you are
I have
pursuing?
given my exams, final year exams. The result will out be in another week, and then
Okay,
we
okay,
have to proceed for
okay, okay, fine. So they have like topic 1 exam and topic 2. Okay, for topic 1, top level 1 exam and level 2. By giving the topic 1 only, you can have two levels. If you qualify second level, it means you qualify topic 1 level 2. Okay, there are two levels in topic 1, and in topic 2 they have till 6, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay,
level 2 is for advanced.
yeah. For 2, topic 2, they have 4 level, 3, 4, 5, 6. So intermediate, for intermediate 3, 4 and 5 6 advanced. If you qualify 6, it means like you are near to native level. Okay, that's quite tough. And 1 2, it's for beginner. So if you're gonna study about like 1.5 year Korean, you can easily qualify topic 1 level 2. Okay, and when you are like when you can complete 3 years of Korean studying, then 3 4 you can qualify, and after that 4 years 5 6 you can qualify, but 6 at least 5 year of learning Korean for 6.
So basically, right, in this test, what are the
Sorry, can you repeat?
in this topic test?
Yeah,
What are the date judge on basis on writing, reading, and uh,
listening.
listening also?
Yeah, listening also. They have like some when you like sit for exam, they have system also with them, so they will play it and you have to mark the right one. Okay, first will be ilki, it means reading, then you have to read and solve, and then will be listening, and the last one will be writing. Okay, 3 papers included in one: reading, writing, and listening in all the levels. Okay, and as you like go for upper levels, they will have more tough writing skills. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah, and if you wanna go to Korea for studying, at least you need for like higher education 5, or otherwise basically 3. Okay, you need 3, topic 3, and topic 1 and topic 2 you can work. Like if you wanna work on some projects, topic level 2 is fine. Okay, for beginner work. Right? Understood about it?
Yes. Thank you.
Okay, yeah, it's fine. So this is all about topic. And like for topic, one thing is very important. Like you need to know a lot of vocabs in all the levels. So you have to keep practicing. For example, when I'm going to teach you, you have to maintain at least 10 vocabs per day. Okay, and just revise it. Not more than 10, just 10 new words per day. You can revise it again and again since it's a foreign language. For English, though, you are like habitual to it and you're speaking it. So if some new word comes, you can use it. But for Korean, you have to memorize it first, right? You cannot like jump to use it for the first time only. Yeah. So like we're gonna continue in it. So there are what is called consonant,
Uh,
chaum. Okay, and vowels,
no.
vowels,
Uh-uh.
moam. Okay, so there are 14 basic consonants. I'm gonna write it. Wait. Till here. Okay. Should I mark it here?
Yes.
Okay. Till here, it's basic consonants. Basic. Okay. I will just write B for basic. Fine.
Yes.
Okay. And these are double consonants. Okay, so it is made of the basic consonants only, modified, but they have different pronunciation. Okay, how they are different? Because their pronunciation is like different from them, basic. Okay, so now repeat after me. This one is kha,
Ka.
kha.
Kha.
Okay, second one na,
Na.
the,
Da.
ra,
Da.
ma. This is square is ma. You can remember
Ma.
it easily. Ma.
Ma.
Okay. This is a.
uh,
This is sha.
sure,
And this circle is ang.
ang,
Yes. This one ja.
jo,
This one ha.
oh,
Then this one kha.
kha,
This one tha. All the words exist in Hindi, right?
okay, tha,
This one ha.
ha,
Pa pa pa.
ha,
This one cha.
cha,
Okay, got it? So there are how much basic consonants? Tell me.
12,
12, 14. Okay.
14, sorry.
Yeah. Got it? Note it somewhere.
Yes,
14 basic consonants and 5 double consonants. Yeah? Okay.
okay.
So what is the pronunciation of double consonant? First one is made of, see, you tell me, okay? What was this? I know it's quite difficult for you, but we pronounce this right now. Kha. Okay.
Ha,
So two kha combined
ha,
ka. The sound will be ka.
ka,
Then to the sound will be ta.
ta,
Hindi ta.
ta,
Okay. To ba sound will be pa.
pa,
To sha. Wait, let me delete it. To sha will be sha. SH.
okay,
Okay. And to ja will be cha.
ja,
See? Cha. Okay. Got it?
yes,
Interesting. Quite similar with Hindi. Okay. And we will come to vowels. So there are 10 basic vowels. Okay. So basic, how many consonants and how many vowels?
basic consonants are 14 and vowels are 10.
Good. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this one are basics till this one. Okay. We will pronounce it together. And what are the like complex vowels? Which are made of like basic vowels. Okay. Modified version. Got it? Made by like combining two basic vowels. They're complex vowels. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah. Okay. So first one is A.
uh,
Similar like Hindi. See, in Hindi we write na like this. A. Right? In
yes,
Korean, it's A. Like this. And why we like put this circle? Because when we write like in Korean, we cannot like this is the matra. Okay, this matra cannot be used alone, right? So we
okay,
put this a, and when it is used with vowels, the sound of is not exist. Okay, it doesn't exist. when used with vowels. When it's alone, only then it's pronounced Okay. There are different rules for that. Okay. Just start it. And when used with vowels, it has the sound of vowel. Ah.
Ah,
Okay. Quite similar with Hindi.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Then next word is ya. This one is ya.
Yeah.
Down one. Just note it down. Ya. This Hindi we write like this. Okay. And put it. It's like that. This. Okay. Quite similar.
Yes.
Okay. Then this one is O. O. Like in letter, we have to do it again, but this is like for demo. So you can have just you can know the pronunciation. Okay, how difficult is that and how easy is that for you? Okay, this one is O. This one is Yo. This one is Oo. Downward Oo. Upward O.
Oh, downward you.
Yeah. Then again downward, upward Yo. Downward U. Okay, same thing. Downward U, upward Yo. Got it? This one is Press your teeth.
E.
Press
Uh,
Yeah, right. This one is E.
E.
Got it? So, like till now, we like complicated, like complex vowels. We will do it next class, okay? Because like that will be difficult for you. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, these are all like you noted down. How many basic consonant? Tell me again.
Basic consonants are 14 and basic
Okay.
vowels are 10.
Okay.
And
Double consonant. How
double
many?
consonants are 5.
And complex vowels?
Complex vowels
11.
11.
Okay. So till this thing we did. Okay. Any doubts? Any like anything else? Curiosity about anything?